Hey, our friends, today we're going to be drawing a microscope.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your art supplies. We're going to use something to draw with, marker.
Marker, some paper, and something to color with.
Yeah. All right, let's start.
Yeah.
We're first going to start by drawing the stage, which is the part where you put the thing that you're going to look at.
Yeah.
We're going to draw a diagonal line across our paper. So we're going to come like this. We're going to go across, and we can tip it just a little bit so it's not perfectly horizontal. Yeah. Then we're going to add another line right underneath it that matches, and this is also called parallel.
Yeah.
Then we're going to connect the left side and also the right side. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle shape for the eyepiece that you look down to see what you're looking at, like bugs and cool stuff.
Yeah.
We're going to draw a rectangle shape. We'll first draw a line that comes down towards our stage, and it's diagonal too. And I'm trying to make it look perpendicular, if that makes sense. Perpendicular comes right into it. And then we can turn that into an L. And then we're going to draw an upside down L up here, and then connect down so that it matches. We've got a rectangle shape.
Nice.
Yeah, now we're going to draw the lenses, and we're going to extend. Let's extend each side, the bottom of the rectangle. Then we're going to draw another parallel line right next to the bottom, and then we can connect each side. Cool. All right, now let's draw a really small curve underneath. So usually microscopes have different lenses, so you can get in closer or further away when you're looking at your object. So first we're going to just draw a rectangle shape right here at the bottom of that curve. And we're going to draw medium size. Then we're going to add a longer one over here. So that one will get you in closer.
Yeah.
You can really see the eyes of a fly. Then we're going to draw a shorter one over here. So this one's a little more zoomed out. Let's add an extra layer to the eyepiece. So I don't really know all of the labels or the different parts of a microscope, just some of the parts. So I think this piece that we're actually drawing now is the eyepiece. This is what you actually look into.
Through.
Yeah, look through. So we're going to draw two lines up, and then we can draw a line at the top. Now let's jump back down here to the stage. I think that's what it's called. We're going to add two more diagonal lines coming down that are short, and then we can connect those at the bottom. And if you guys at home ever need extra time, remember you can always
pause the video.
Yeah. All right, now we made that a little thicker. Let's add the base of our microscope. Now I'm going to draw a horizontal line. We're just going to come across, and this line matches the bottom of our paper. Well, kind of. Mine's a little wobbly. Then we're going to draw a short line that comes up. Then we're going to draw a line that comes over. Then let's draw a big upside down U, and we'll connect over here to the bottom of the base. Now let's connect the stage to the base. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down like that. And also we need to add the light source.
Yeah.
So sometimes they'll have a mirror down here, or sometimes they'll just have a light that's powered. So let's draw that little light that's aiming into our stage or the lens. So we're going to draw another diagonal line that comes up. We'll come over like this, and then I'm going to match and come back down over here. Then we can draw the arm that's connecting the eyepiece down to the base. We'll start here. Let's draw a line that comes out. And we could also let's draw a line that comes back up first, and then we'll go back in. So before we connect it. This is a little attachment to the eyepiece. Then we're going to draw a curve for the arm. We're going to come down, and we'll connect it into the stage. Then let's come back up here, and we'll draw another curve. It's going to come down further and connect to the base. Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
What's our microscope missing?
The focus knobs.
Yeah, the little things that you turn on the side to make this go up and down, or this, the eyepiece going up and down, but that's to make it go into focus.
Yeah.
So I think usually they have two. They'll have one that moves it a lot and then another one that moves it just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So let's draw we could draw a big knob right here and a smaller knob below it. Then let's also add another circle inside of each one. Jack, we did it! We finished drawing our microscope.
But we still need to color it.
This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Jack, we did it! We finished coloring our microscopes. And I gotta say, these are some pretty cool colors.
I know.
They're definitely different. I wasn't expecting to color it this way.
Yeah.
But it looks cool.
It does.
We also added extra details. Now you guys can pause the video right now to match the same color. You could even add the same details that we added, or you could change your drawings, add different details, and even color it differently.
Yeah.
What do we use to color our drawings?
Markers.
Markers, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your microscope.
And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye!
Hey parents and teachers, take a photo of your child's finished artwork and post it on Facebook or Instagram. Also be sure to tag us in it at Art for Kids Hub. Did you know that we also have a website? You can find it at artforkidshub.com. It has more lessons and information about art supplies we love to use. You can also visit artforkidshub.tv to learn more about our awesome Art Hub membership. The membership includes exclusive lessons and our own apps, so your child can learn art in a focused, distraction-free environment.